Now to a small community on the border of Texas that is bringing awareness to Alzheimer's, which disproportionately impacts their loved ones.
Cronkite News reporter Adriana Gonzalez-Chavez visits this community and shares with us their stories.
Webb County ranks #1 for the most Alzheimer's cases in the state of Texas, along with El Paso County. Webb County is #9 in the nation overall for prevalence, and community members are left wondering why.
As a caregiver, it's a very lonely process and a very hard process. It's something that I don't really wish on anyone.
For over a decade, Patty Bruni has been a caregiver for her mother, who has Alzheimer's. When she first started caring for her mother, she struggled to find support.
At the beginning, there were no resources, to be honest with you.
And Bruni hasn't been the only one who has had a difficult time finding resources in Laredo, Texas, located in Webb County. A walk was held this past month to bring awareness to the health issue and provide support to families caring for a loved one with the disease. According to 2020 census data, more than 260,000 Hispanics live in Webb County, and almost 716,000 Hispanics live in El Paso County, and 15% of their entire population is impacted by the disease, reported the Chicago Health and Aging Project.
The shortage of ability to help the people here was shocking.
Joe Arcienega, member of the National Governing Board of the Alzheimer's Association, found support and good quality care hard to come by when his father was diagnosed. Arcienega says he is lucky to have the financial means to hire additional care, but it's a luxury he says many in Laredo cannot afford.
They have to leave the home and they have somebody there. You can probably draw your own conclusions of what too many people in Laredo have had to do and the choices they've had to make with their loved ones. Leaving them alone, locking them in, things that are just kind of inconceivable, actually.
Adriana Gonzalez-Chavez, the executive director for the University of Texas System Education and Research Center at Laredo, partnered with the Biggs Institute to bring more research to her community.
But they started to see a prevalence, and so long before the statistic came out, there was a call for action, and that action was, we've got to have a piece of Biggs here so that they could be taking care of our patients.
Gonzalez-Chavez also works in her community to host discussions, also referred to as platicas, that support local caregivers.
It's always how to combat this disease and just, annihilate it completely. But in the meantime, until we can do that, it's about unity. It's about coming together as one community to be able to support one another.
Gonzalez-Chavez, Bruni, and Arcienega will continue to advocate for their community so no family feels alone.
We need help here in Laredo and in communities like this, border communities, because there are people who are here who have no other options, no other choices.
Other counties in the country that have a high number of cases of Alzheimer's are Miami-Dade County in Florida, Bronx County in New York. In the newsroom, Adriana Gonzalez-Chavez, Cronkite News. Back to you.